Hey there guys, in this video let's see how to find area of triangle in Python. So before that I have already written a blog post on how to find area of triangle in Python, so that's what you're seeing. And also you can find the source code over here. So the blog post link is in the description box below, so check it out. So let me come down below and you can see the run button over here. If you just run it, you can find the particular code. So what I have done is, first of all, I have entered the variables a, b, c and have given the values also. If you want the user to enter the variables, you can just enter the input function. It is over here. So first of all, what I did is I just calculated the semi-perimeter. So I've given the semi-perimeter over here. You can just copy it. And then what I did is calculated the area by using the area formula. Then I have printed out by using and also you can print it out using the f string. So let's run this program and see what we get. So the area of triangle is 14.70. So instead of this a is equal to b, you can just add the input function and ask the user to enter the input values. So the source code is here. I hope this video helped you a lot. So make sure to give a like and subscribe to our channel. See you next video guys.